Today I have Colgate Total Whole Mouth Protection Toothpaste, and I'm going to be opening this up and reviewing this. This has anti-cavity, anti-gingivitis, let me zoom in a little bit better so you can see this, and anti-sensitivity toothpaste. That's what it is. It says it fights cavities, plaques, gingivitis, enamel, tartar, helps with fresh breath, whitens, sensitivity relief, deep clean, and odor neutralizing. A lot that it says that it does. It says it fights bacteria on teeth, tongue, cheek, and gums. So let's see what this is all about. It says 12 hour of antibacterial protection, and on the back, the active ingredient seems to be stannous fluoride, 0.454%, and 0.15% of fluoride ion. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. One thing, it's vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free, and responsibly made, supposedly. I'm going to go ahead and open this up from the side and see what we're working with over here. It says, and inside, it's a tube of toothpaste, right? And it has a flippy side on it to open it up. And let me come up and smell this. It has a fresh smell to it. The labelage on the tube of toothpaste is very similar to what is on the box. It looks like pretty much the same information. It has sucralose in here. It has a sweeter sucralose. It actually shows a lot of the inactive ingredients, where I'm not used to seeing that so much with toothpaste. So let me go ahead and open this, and I'm going to give it a quick taste test to it. If you look at it, it has a slight yellow or off-white, let me put it that way, off-white color to it. Right there. I'm going to go ahead and try some and see what it tastes like. It has a minty fresh taste to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my toothbrush, and I'm going to put it on the toothbrush so you can see how the toothpaste comes out of the tube. All right, so I'm going to switch it over like this. And I'm just going to squeeze on the toothpaste now and see this on the toothbrush. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up like this and go ahead and put a little bit on my toothbrush. All right, that's enough. And so it comes out relatively smooth. It's not too runny. It actually is thick enough to stay on the toothbrush, which is a plus, I think. And it's ready to be used. It's a thick toothpaste, so when you're brushing it, it doesn't seem like it's going to actually be too runny at first, unless you have a little bit of water action going on in your mouth. But overall, it tastes good. If it offers 12 hours of protection, I believe that's good, because within 12 hours, I hope you brush your teeth at least one more time to offer it, to give it some more protection. So that's Total Whole Mouth Protection, deep clean toothpaste. It tastes good, and I like the fact that it will protect for 12 hours. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.